say, man, y'all know what's going on. This your girl, Dream Chasing Gio, and I'm back with another, you already know, banger. Got my dog T-Rose out here, man. You got my boy, Big Baby out here, man.
What's
See
up,
what's
y'all?
going on, man. Hey, man, look. My phone. What's up, man?
What's up with y'all? What's up with y'all?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all some of these cars. You know what I'm saying? Got the baby T-Rose version out here, just a different color. You know what I'm saying?
Yo!
What's the deal, man?
You good?
That's you with the drone, huh?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay. Y'all
I
see
gotta
the
get
drone.
that money for the job.
Already. Got my boy ZayTRD in the car eating like always. Got that good old Chick-fil-A, man. Got my dog T-Rose out here. Got me. You know what I'm saying? Got this loud, disrespectful car right here. Let me back up for y'all. Okay. Boy with the drone. I be wanting to get some lights, man, but I can't. Look at this boy. Look at that boy. Brake pads, man. Back to the money. Y'all to my clean. Uh-oh. That man. Fast take. See what's going on, man. Got the parking lot packed right now. Street Mafia out here. It's right first. Baby T out here again, man. We out here working. My son, you know where he went though. See what's going on. Got the vet, got the big boy humming. This thing right here is big. Hell. Man. Got my boy Lil Bobby out here, man. What's the deal? What's the deal? Out here sweating. Old school out here. It's pressure, that's pressure.
Look, when you coming up?
Fuel pump blew out last night.
Oh, okay, yeah, I seen
See that? That's the Norwich over there. See my boy, Big Baby.
I got put a hard hitters in front of me. You got
Yes, sir.
Danny,
you got
what up?
T-Rose. Hey, I'm with the Mopars today. I'm hanging with them
Yes,
today.
sir.
Y'all make sure y'all go follow
Thank
both of them
God.
on their YouTube channel.
Dang,
There's
pressure
a
though,
lot
man.
of Camaros out here, though.
Yeah,
Pressure,
I
man.
think so.
Real cool. Jeep out here. Big Jeep. People, we got YouTubers out here.
I'm talking about the people on the
We
movie.
got YouTubers out here that don't vlog a lot, but we got them out here. I'm talking about, y'all see what's going on, man. We got YouTubers out here who don't really vlog, but they
Oh, that's all right,
YouTubers,
though.
though.
They might not even be on. I got another hustle.
Yeah, we hustling out here.
Oh, y'all hustling? Yeah, y'all, man, we finna watch this good old Fast 9. She said, Shaker, you should have came. Heard it. Yeah, we finna watch this good old Fast 9, man. RIP my boy Paul Walker, though, for real, man. Chill, man. You got Mr. Ooh wee eating that good old Chick-fil-A. You know what I'm talking about?
Hey,
That boy eating. Thirsty? Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? Okay. Got the parking lot.
It's too late now, bro.
He in charge of the parking lot.
It's all good. What's up?
He
How
on
y'all
cone
doing?
duty.
Hey, log into the check into the shit. What we on? Oh, I forgot. Yeah, Simone and Joker TV, man.
Oh.
Hit us up.
Wait,
You
y'all
know,
be
look
making
at us.
videos? Y'all be dropping them back?
Dropping
We're
bangers.
trying to do a little something, you know.
Yeah, you know what's
Got
going
some
on.
bangers going. I think real soon some bangers about to be on the swatch.
I'm
Gotta
just waiting
watch
for
it. Gotta
I'm
watch
gonna
it.
start stopping y'all for it now.
Yeah, she's something like a stalker.
Yeah.
I believe it.
I'm like a part-time stalker.
Yeah, nah, really a full part-time. Part-time
Full-time
because she
stalker.
wake up at 5 p.m.
Yeah, I can't really do that much in that time. No, I be up at nighttime though.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah, so
saying
I'm like a nighttime stalker.
you're an overnight stalker.
Yeah, overnight stalker.
Yeah. T is an overnight stalker, but that's
They
cool
got the
though.
cars to do the
It's
content.
hot out here though. I'm sweating for real, for real. Face shining and stuff. Ooh, that thing look good back there, huh? Okay. Hey, I got some new mods on there too. New mod on the whip, man.
The new Fast and Furious.
Why is T following me? Why you following me? Yeah, it's weird. And these boys still pulling up in here, and I'm talking about, boy, headlights, okay. Boy, right here, man. Okay.
Hey, what up, Gio?
Who said that? What up, Big Chief? Okay. Okay, got twin out here. I'm talking about, okay. Okay. Alright, gang. So as you can see, we about to head on in the theater, man. Got them tickets, Fast 9 come out tomorrow, but I'm gonna go easy with the shades. But we gonna check it out tonight. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Simone and Joker for making it happen. Street Legends. Yeah, man. We about to, I think the theater sold out. I think we filled that thing, you know what I'm talking about? T got a big blanket, so that's what's taking her so long. I don't know why she got it. Told you she got a big ass blanket. Like, we walking up in this thing though.
2 hours later.
Definitely a good movie. I'm glad they came out with another one. I really enjoyed it. Like, for real, for real. The ending, man, that'd have been crazy if I would have saw Brian. But anyway, man, it was a toll. It took a toll.
What?
It changed basically. I can't even tell y'all the movie, but just know it switched up. I wasn't even expecting it, but definitely a good 2-hour movie to check out, man. Definitely a good 2-hour movie to check out. A lot of cars in there, a lot of action, everything, man. For real, for real. Make sure y'all check it out. Okay, somebody's spraying. Just got out, man. Shaking. She didn't come watch the movie though. She just came over here, I guess. That's why she's around, man.
break it.
It's all right. It's already broke.
Oh no.
Everybody outside. I got T blanket. I don't know where T at. Everybody got their little lights on. I ain't got no lights. Ooh, Mad Max. This thing look dangerous. You know what I'm talking about?
So she got that one.
Live with the lights on.
Oh yeah,
Back to the money with that dream thing. That thing clean. Hey man, I appreciate y'all for coming through, checking out another banger. Got my boy Zay right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Doing what he do. Okay. Doing what he do best, you know what I'm talking about, Mr. Ooey in the building. But yeah, man, like I said before, that movie was dope. That movie was super dope. I was feeling it. There was a lot of pros and cons people. You know what I'm saying? I was on the pro side. I always watch that Fast and Furious movies. Like, I still be at home watching the old ones, man. But yeah, shout out to Street Legends for letting us, you know what I'm saying, pull up with them, throwing this little meat movie, watch thing, whatever it's called, pull up movie. But yeah, hey, I want y'all to chase y'all dreams, man. Lately, I know I have not been dropping bangers. Why? Because I've been busy. I've been chasing my dreams. I've been trying to get everything together, you know what I'm saying? But I do got some fire content for you guys, so y'all need to stay tuned, for real, for real. But chase your dreams. Don't let nobody, nothing stop you from what you trying to do and who you trying to become. We chasers, baby. With that being said, your girl Dream Chasing Geo is.
I'm chasing dreams, 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 I'm chasing dreams.